All right, friends. So your job was to take the number I showed you on my 10 frame and count on to figure out how many more we needed to get to the number 10. Now, if we're counting on, we're not starting at the number 1. What number were we holding in our heads? I showed you this and I counted as I put them on. How many dots did I put on? I put on 8. So if I'm going to count on holding the number 8 in my head, what number will I say first? I'll say the number 9. And then I'm going to keep going until I get to 10. I said 9, 10. I got to stop really quickly. So you can tell I counted on, and how many dots did I put on? I put on 2. Put on these 2 red dots. I didn't have to say numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I already knew those numbers and held them in my head, and I just counted on for my next 2 dots. Let me show you another tool that you might use to do that same thing. You might have seen this before when you were working with Mrs. Whitley, but maybe you forgot or you haven't seen it. Do you know what this is called? Well, it's called a number line. Look, there is a line and it has all different numbers on it. This number line starts at 0 and goes to the number 10. But sometimes we see number lines with all different numbers. Now, let's remember how we can use this number line to help us figure this out. I put 8 dots on my 10 frame. So I'm going to start at the number 8. See how that number 8 there is there? And I want to keep counting on to get to the number 10. So I'm imagining I'm doing a little jump each time I say another number. Remember, today we're talking about counting on, so I'm not going to say these numbers because I know we already have 8. So if I was going to count on and stop at 10, I would say 9, 10. And there are my jumps. I started at 8, 9, 10. Just like when I put on 2 more, 9, 10. I use the number line to start at 8 and go 9, 10. So how many jumps did I have to make? Well, here's 1, and here's another. That's 2 jumps, just like I put on 2 red dots. So sometimes we can use a number line to help us count on and get to the number 10.